The Canon repair process. I sent an M6 Mark II to Canon for fixing the back button and maybe the screen because it had a dark spot on it. Right off the bat, their systems don't seem very advanced. I asked them what the warranty covered. I mentioned the AF button on the back was weird from the beginning and it got worse. Their first response was a warranty PDF. Person suggested I send it in, so I started going through the process. The person didn't send me the PDF and eventually got a response on that. So another person included the proper PDF. Print out the PDF, fill it out. You know, it's basic information as you would expect for a situation like this. The official box should be more protected, at least. There we go. This is where it's going. And they had this discount program thing. I ended up using the box from a refurbished camera, and then I also used another box outside of that, so it was very protected. I used to work at UPS. You know, you see things, and I know to really pack my packages well. Some type of deal with the UPS stores to get a discount, 20% on materials, and then 5 to 8% on actual shipping. But then they suggest that you should get insurance. Cost of shipping, $20.87, but then insurance was basically double. So I'm already taking a hit. In retrospect, I should have just immediately sent that original camera back to them. Shipping was pretty quick. I got a response from Canon through email saying that they received it. Got back the camera. This is actually a different camera. I did not send them my battery, so I got a new battery, new charger, and another strap. Got the screen protector on. Let's pop in the battery that came with it. It's 2020. Camera did not turn on. I think this battery's dead for the moment. This one looks a little bit better. Okay, there's a little bit of something up here. First photo, picture of bubble wrap. I sent the original camera on December 12th. I received the new one on the 19th, so it's a really good turnaround. They do say generally, at least for normal repairs, it would be an additional week from when they receive it. That means in most reasonable situations where they actually do repair your camera, expect a few weeks of turnaround time. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. It was Captain Banzai. Thanks.